Here's a beauty just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. 289 power underneath the hood. Does have a Holley 4-barrel on it. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Best of all, repaint to Brittany blue. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome on the front bumper. Recently restored car. 289 was rebuilt when it was done. And as you can see, chrome, bright work up front. Looking good. Paint also shows well. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one, folks. Check out the underside, the interior, the engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're watching on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. Be able to see all the still pics, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Just so you know, these are wheels. It's not a wheel cover. I know there's a lot of wheel covers out there similar to that. Radial tires, 2021 date code on those, so 3 years approximately. Take a look at how straight these panels are right down the passenger side. Like I said, paint shows well on this one. Restoration. Finished within roughly the last year, and it definitely shows. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek at the interior a little closer. Again, what you would expect on a nicely restored car. There's that 4-speed manual transmission paired up with that 289 retro sound radio. That is working. We'll get there in just a bit. First, I want you guys to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, chrome in the rear bumper, nice shape, dual exhaust, 2.5-inch dual exhaust with Flowmasters. Brakes are at 80% or better, noted by our techs, at all 4 corners. Once again, you can see that paint in nice shape. And take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Don't forget, open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a peek at this for you? Can't make it yourself? Not a problem. If you like these early Mustangs, maybe just into early muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. And again, look at how straight those panels are, how nice the paint's put on. That is a base coat, clear coat, so you know. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. I forgot to mention rear gear ratio, 273 rear gear ratio. This car will go down the road nicely. Speaking of which, stick around to the end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive and show you. Door panels look good. These two-tone seats, also in nice shape. As you can see, seat belts intact up front. Vinyl is free of rips, tears, holes. Really, it doesn't show much wear in the interior at all, which you'd expect from a recently restored car. How about the headliner? Headliner looking good. Sun visors in place. Hey, let's start it up. One of the best parts about this car, mild cam. Has an Edelbrock mild cam. You can hear that. Fuel gauge came up over here. Oil pressure. Gauge not working. Amp meter. Temp gauge. It was a cold start. I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Amp meter. What do we have down below? Here's an oil pressure gauge. Don't know if I necessarily believe that one either. How about flip on this radio so you can hear this work? I did have this working earlier. Let's find a station that will have reception here. Right there.
I am too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love's going to leave me.
Radio working. Wipers also work. Dash looks good. Make sure we're neutral. Again, 4-speed. Door closes nicely, and listen to this. How's that for a 289? A little rumble to it. It's that 2.5-inch exhaust with Flowmasters on it. That's what it is. All right, let me pause this real quick. Let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk around and then stick around. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Underside of the hood, as clean as the rest of the car. And here it is. 289 Ford V8, 4-barrel, poly on it, aluminum radiator, and gone through at the time of restoration. That's a nice, clean, tidy, good-looking engine bay. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, Brittany Blue. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a nice blue 1966 Ford Mustang. This is a 4-on-the-floor, 4-speed transmission. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Nice aggressive sounding exhaust on this car. Shifts nicely, clutch feels good. A little bit of wind noise on the window. That's typical of some 60s era cars. Not much, and it is a windy day today. Our steering wheel is canted a little bit to the right. That doesn't affect performance at all. The fuel gauge is reading full. Our oil pressure gauge is under the dash, showing 55 psi. The original gauge in the dash is non-operational. Our speedometer is working. Amps are right in the middle of the gauge, and the temperature is about 1/3 of the way up, so that looks good as well. Retro sound style radio in the dash. Those seem to always have really good clarity and sound. Let's go down to the second for the roundabout. This car, good looking paint, good looking interior, blue on blue. What more can you ask for? It looks good. Corners nicely as it should. Great looking bucket seats, factory looking. Door panels, the dash, all looks good. An iconic 1966 Ford Mustang in blue. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.